Hi, and welcome to another edition of RedCube. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your Windows XP machine faster without using any third-party tools, by using everything that's included on your machines by default that just come with Windows XP. First we'll be covering the disk cleanup tool, which will get rid of all the old lagging files that are left behind by different applications or just browsing the web. And the second will be the disk defragmenter, which basically tidies your hard disk up. Means the device that writes all the information and reads all the information on your hard disk doesn't have to work as hard by moving as far. It basically organizes the files that it needs to access all together. So we start this by on your desktop. You'll see the icons of my computer on the top left. Take that, double click on that, find your C drive and right click on that and go to properties. Now on the bottom right you see disk cleanup. Press that. Now this will think for a little bit. Now I just sped that last bit up, but depending on the size of your disk it can take between 1 and 10 minutes. When it's done analyzing, you'll get a pop-up box here. Make sure you try and tick everything on the left hand side here and then use the right hand scroller to keep on going down. These are all the files that different applications or different parts of the operating system have kept around on your disk, but you don't need them. So click yes. And then this will continue to think and now get rid of all the files on your disk. This can take, depending again on the size of your disk, anything from 1 minute to an hour, 2 hours. If it takes a long time, don't worry. It's gonna take a long time if you've never done this before and you have a large old disk. So just let it go off and make coffee, tea, walk around the block, watch TV while it's working in the background. When that's done, it'll just scroll through, be done, great. Next, what you want to do is go to the Tools tab and Defragmenter and click Defragment Disk. Now this will bring up another pop-up box and it'll try and visualize your disk. So click on the C drive at the top and then press Defragment. Now what this does is it'll analyze your disk in a visual format. There's a key at the bottom for fragmented files, continuous files, etc. and free space, always denoted in white. What you want to do is have all like colors very similar to each other. Then the disk, the head on your hard disk is a spinning disk which has all your files allocated on it. If you have all the files that you need to access basically put together, the disk doesn't need to, the reader doesn't need to work as hard and can work faster. So do this pretty regularly if you can, and over the course of time this will make your machine much quicker. This has been RedCube, and thank you very much for watching.